what we have in hand here is rotation about the origin through clockwise and anti-clockwise. So the simple table we have here shows that this side is for clockwise rotation and this side is for anti-clockwise rotation. Then we have the rule over here and an example. Now, per what we have, looking at clockwise rotation, 90 degrees is the same as anti-clockwise rotation 270 degrees. So clockwise rotation 90 degrees is the same as anti-clockwise rotation 270 degrees. And the rule states that xy maps to y negative x. So clockwise 90 degrees is the same as anti-clockwise 270 degrees, and the rule xy maps to y negative x. So when we take an example as A, we have the coordinates to be 3, 4. This should map to A1, which the x, y, they interchange their positions. So the y is now written at the top. Therefore, what do I have here is 4. My y is 4. So I write the 4 first. And the x is written at the down, but it is negative. Therefore, the x should go to the down, but it becomes negative. So this is how it is going to look like. Therefore, clockwise rotation 90 degrees being the same as anti-clockwise rotation 270. When you have coordinates 3, 4, it becomes what? 4, negative 3. Now, we take clockwise rotation 180 degrees. That one is the same as anti-clockwise rotation 180 degrees. So the 180s are the same. Therefore, the rule for that one, x, y maps to negative x, negative y. So when I have an example, A to be 3, 4 maps to A1, which the x becomes negative x. So 3 becomes negative 3. The y also becomes negative y. So 4 becomes negative 4. Therefore, these are the coordinates for that rotation. Now, rotation through clockwise 270 degrees is the same as rotation through anti-clockwise 90 degrees. Therefore, we can see the whole thing is vice versa. 90, 180, 270. 270, 180, 90. The rule for that one, xy maps to negative y x. So when I have an example to be A, that is 3, 4, A1 becomes, the y moves to the top, but it becomes negative. So the 4 must go to the top, but it should be negative. And the x moves to the down, meaning maintain. So the 3 moves to the down, meaning maintain. Therefore, this is how to solve or deal with any problem under rotation. that is rotation through clockwise, we have 90, 180, 270, the same as anti-clockwise 270, 180, and 90. So when you know one side, you only need to find the opposite side, which the rules are the same.